Hey y'all, it's me, Rai again, and I'm going to be doing another unboxing video of a Llamated edition or Llamated edition sketchbook collection by Etchr Sketchbooks. Now this one is called the Sketchbook Stack 4.5 inches Autumn Collection. As you'll see, they are these beautiful fall colors. Now these sketchbooks have great specs. They're 100% cotton watercolor paper. They have deckled edges. It's cold pressed. I am excited to see what the deckled edge looks like because usually they have round corners and straight edges on all sides. But yeah, these colors I'm also a fan of already when I just saw the ad for them. So let's go ahead and unbox them. This is more so my unboxing and first impressions. I will be doing a review when I get to, or if I ever get to, these sketchbooks and get to fill them up. I'll let you know what I think of them. Their sketchbooks are always packed really well, as you can see. The box fitting is crazy tight. You'll see that when I lift it up, this kind of has that suction feel where it's so almost like an Apple product, right? When you're lifting it out. These ones look like they're shrink wrapped instead of put inside like a little clear plastic, crystal plastic. Comes with like a little card for instructional videos on free classes and things. And then there's a little packet for keeping moisture out. Always great packaging. I decided to only open one of these sketchbooks to show you since they were shrink wrapped really well. I was like, well, maybe I could always give one away if I feel like I'm not going to be getting through all these sketchbooks, because if you've been watching my YouTube videos, I've been getting a ton of sketchbooks for myself to just surround myself and try to inspire myself to get into sketchbooking a bit more. But this color was my favorite. It is this really bright, warm, like canary yellow. And this was the first sketchbook I wanted to open because this is the first one I want to fill of these. If you haven't felt this kind of vegan leather they have, it is super soft to the touch. You just, I don't know, moo.com is where I get my postcards printed, my like show cards and business cards. And it has a smooth finish. Those cards always get compliments on, and this feels the same way. I was pointing out the deckled edges because it's really only on one side, which was surprising. I thought it was going to be on all the sides. I don't know why I thought that. I don't know if that's traditional, that it's only on one side, but I expected to have deckled edges around the whole edge, but it is just the ones that are on the side, not on the top and bottom. That doesn't mean that I like these any less, though. I really love the feel of the deckled edges that it gives. Is a little rustic with such clean lines on the outside when it's closed. Is a really nice contrast. If you have any questions about these, just let me know. I'll have a link to the website for Etchr. You can't get these because these are a limited edition, so you would have had to have seen it like I did, like in an ad, and I purchased it. But if you are interested, you could follow Etchr, and then they kind of promote the next kind of limited edition they're doing, or Llamated edition they're doing. So yeah, check out their limited or Llamated editions. If you're interested, if you have any questions or anything you'd like me to review more about these, let me know. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, and all that great stuff. See you all soon.